ऑलराइट। हाँ जी, वो लिखता है
he writes,
वो लिख रहा है,
he is writing,
वो लिख चुका है,
he has written,
वो लिखता रहा है,
he has been writing,
वो लिख सकता है,
he can write,
खत लिखा जाता है,
letter is written,
खत लिखा जा रहा है,
letter is being written,
खत लिखा जा चुका है,
letter has been being written,
हाँ, खत लिखा जा चुका है,
letter has been written,
हाँ, खत लिखा जाता रहा है,
letter has been being written,
खत लिखा जा सकता है,
letter can be written,
हाँ जी, उसने खत लिखा,
he wrote,
उसने लिखा, ठीक है, वो लिख रहा था,
he was writing,
वो लिख चुका था,
he was writing, he had written,
वो लिखता रहा था,
he had been writing,
वो लिख सकता था,
he could write,
हाँ जी, खत लिखा गया,
letter was written,
खत लिखा जा रहा था,
letter was being written,
खत लिखा जा चुका था,
letter had been written,
खत लिखा जाता रहा था,
letter had been being written,
खत लिखा जा सकता था,
letter could be written,
ओके, वो लिखेगा,
he will write,
वो लिख रहा होगा,
he will be writing,
वो लिख चुका होगा,
he will have written,
वो लिखता रहा होगा,
he will have been writing,
वो लिख सकेगा,
he will be able to write,
खत लिखा जाएगा,
letter will be written,
खत लिखा जा रहा होगा,
letter will be being written,
खत लिखा जा चुका होगा,
letter will have been written,
खत लिखा जाता रहा होगा,
letter will have been being written,
ओके, हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट इज, इसको तो छोड़ दें, why mean why
why क्यों, why
where
क्यों,
where
कहाँ,
when
when जब,
when जब भी होता है, when कब भी होता है, ये सवालिया शक्ल में कब होता है, इन सब के दो दो मीनिंग है, what
ठीक।
वाट का
वट
मतलब
क्या?
क्या, हाउ,
हाउ कौन?
नहीं, हाउ कैसे,
हाउ कैसे?
हु,
कौन?
हुज,
उसका?
किसका, हुज
किसका?
किस होम,
हम उसका?
किसको,
किसको?
हाँ, विच,
पिच जैसा कि?
नहीं वो वेयर एज होता है, विच कौन सा,
बीच कौन सा?
विच मीन कौन सा। हाँ जी, डू यू,
सर एक सेकंड, मैं ना जरा इसको नोट कर लूं।
वाई का मतलब क्यों, वेयर का मतलब कहाँ, व्हेन का मतलब कब, व्हाट, व्हाट का मतलब क्या, हाउ का मतलब है कैसे, हु का मतलब कौन, हुज का मतलब है किसका, होम किसको, विच कौन सा,
हम किसको?
जी, विच कौन सा, हाँ जी,
बीच।
डू यू,
डू यू? यस आई डू।
आर यू,
यस आई एम।
हैव यू,
यस आई
हैव यू बीन,
यस आई हैव बीन।
कैन यू,
यस आई कैन।
डिड यू,
यस आई डिड।
वर यू,
यस आई वाज।
हैड यू,
यस आई
हैड यू बीन,
हैड यू बीन? यस आई हैड बीन।
कुड यू,
यस आई कुड।
विल यू,
यस आई विल।
विल यू बी,
यस आई विल बी।
विल यू हैव,
यस आई विल हैव।
will you have been,
यस आई विल हैव बीन।
will you be able to,
यस आई विल बी एबल टू।
is it,
यस इट इज।
is it being,
यस इट इज बीइंग।
has it been,
यस इट हैज बीन।
has it been being,
यस इट हैज बीन बीइंग।
can it be,
यस इट कैन बी।
was it,
यस इट वाज।
was it being,
यस इट वाज बीइंग।
had it been,
यस इट हैड बीन।
had it been being,
यस इट हैड बीन बीइंग।
could it be,
यस इट कुड बी।
will it be,
यस इट विल बी।
will it be being,
यस इट विल बी बीइंग।
will it have been,
यस इट विल हैव बीन।
will it have been being,
यस इट विल हैव बी बीइंग।
will it have been being,
इट विल हैव बीन बीइंग।
uh, okay, do you watch TV,
यस आई वॉच टीवी।
are you watching TV,
यस आई यस आई वाज वाचिंग टीवी। यस आई एम वाचिंग टीवी।
have you watched TV,
यस आई हैव वॉच टीवी।
have you been watching TV,
यस आई हैव बीन वाचिंग टीवी।
can you watch TV,
यस आई कैन वॉच टीवी।
did you watch TV,
यस आई डिड वॉच टीवी। आई डिड वॉच टीवी।
Okay, were you watching TV?
Yes, we are watching TV. Yes, you are watching TV. Yes, I was watching TV.
I was watching TV. Had you watched TV?
Yes, I had watched TV.
Had you been watching TV?
Yes, I had been watching TV.
Could you watch TV?
Yes, I could watch TV.
Will you watch TV?
Yes, I will watch TV.
Will you be watching TV?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will watch. Yes, I will be watching TV.
Will you have watched TV?
Yes, I will have watched TV.
Will you have been watching TV?
Yes, I will have been watching TV.
Will you be able to watch TV?
Yes, I will be able to watch TV.
Is cricket played?
Yes, cricket is played.
Is cricket being played?
Yes, cricket is being played.
Has cricket been played?
Yes, cricket has been being played. Yes, cricket has been played.
Has cricket been being played?
Yes, cricket has been being played.
Can cricket be played?
Yes, cricket can be played.
Was cricket played?
Yes, cricket was played.
Was cricket being played?
Yes, cricket was being played. Yes, cricket being played.
Cricket was being
Yes,
played.
cricket was
Being
cricket
played.
was being played.
Had cricket been played?
Yes, cricket had been played.
Had cricket been being played?
Yes, cricket had been being played.
Could cricket be played?
Yes, cricket could be being. Yes, cricket could be played.
Will cricket be played?
Yes, cricket will be played.
Will cricket be being played?
Yes, cricket will be being played.
Will cricket have been played?
Yes, cricket have been. Yes, cricket will be. Yes, cricket will have been played.
Will cricket have been being played?
Yes, cricket will have been being played.
Should cricket be played?
Yes, cricket should be played.
Must cricket be played?
Yes, cricket must be played.
All right. That's very good. ओके नॉट ओनली बट आल्सो दोनों का इस्तेमाल ठीक है ना सिर्फ ये बल्कि वो ठीक है
Yes.
नॉट ओनली ना सिर्फ ये बट आल्सो बल्कि वो भी वगैरह वगैरह ना सिर्फ तुम
Not
बल्कि तुम्हारा बाप भी
not only you but also your father.
मैं न सिर्फ काम करता हूँ बल्कि पढ़ता भी हूँ
Not only do I work but also read.
आप न सिर्फ उस्ताद हैं बल्कि दोस्त भी हैं
You are not only a teacher but also a friend.
ये न सिर्फ यहाँ है बल्कि हर जगह है
It is not only here but everywhere.
वो न सिर्फ नमाजें पढ़ती है बल्कि सबकी इज्जत भी करती है
Not only does she offer prayers
आगे
but also respect everyone.
एज फॉर जहाँ तक ठीक है
Yes.
जहाँ तक तुम्हारा तल्लक है मैं कभी भी तुमसे नहीं मिलूंगा
As for you, I shall never meet you.
I'll never meet you ठीक है जहां तक मेरी तालीम का
I
ताल्लुक
am
है,
in
मैंने एमए
yes.
किया हुआ है।
As for my education, I am an MA.
जहां तक उसका ताल्लुक है वो तो हॉस्पिटल में है।
As for him, he is in the hospital.
जहां तक मेरे भाई का ताल्लुक है, ये फॉर है।
As for my brother,
जहां तक मेरे बायोडाटा का ताल्लुक है, तो कहाँ चले गए हो?
drop your sound.
ओके, जहां तक
Sir,
मेरे
drop your sound.
और जहां तक मेरे बायोडाटा का ताल्लुक है, कैन यू हियर मी?
Hello.
हाँ, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ? इज दैट ओके?
Hello.
हाँ, मुझे समझ आ रही है, आप पढ़ो। हेलो।
Drop your sound.
ओके ओके, लिसन टू मी, रीड।
Yes. Hello.
इज दैट ओके नाउ?
Yes, yes.
ओके, जहां तक मेरे बायोडाटा का ताल्लुक है,
As for my biodata,
जहां तक फिल्म में उसके किरदार का ताल्लुक है,
as for his role in the movie,
ओके, गॉड, ओ खुदाया,
good God,
अगर खुदा ने चाहा तो,
God willing,
अल्लाह बेहतर जानता है,
God now better, God knows better,
अल्लाह बचाए, अल्लाह माफ करे,
God forbid, God help you,
अल्लाह तुम्हारी मदद करे,
God help you
अल्लाह के लिए,
for God's sake,
आउट ऑफ, सांस फूला होना,
out of breath,
खतरे से बाहर,
out of danger,
कर्जा देकर फारग हो जाना,
out of debt,
बेरोजगार,
out of job,
याद नहीं पड़ता, न जाने कब तक,
out of mind, I don't know when.
अच्छा, ये नाइस टू, ठीक है, आपसे मिलकर बड़ी
Yes,
खुशी हुई,
nice to see you,
आपसे बात करके लुत्फ आया,
nice to talk to you,
आप यहाँ आए बड़ी खुशी हुई,
nice to have you here,
उसके साथ रहकर मजा आता है,
it is nice to be within him,
वहाँ पढ़ाना अच्छा है,
it is nice to teach there,
आपकी वापसी पर बड़ी खुशी हुई,
it is nice to have you back,
सेंस, होश, मैं तुम्हारे होश ठिकाने लगा दूंगा,
I'll bring you to your senses,
उन्हें सड़क पर गाड़ी चलाने का शौर नहीं है,
they don't know road sense,
एहसास जिम्मेदारी,
sense of duty,
उसे शर्म का कोई एहसास नहीं है,
he has no sense of shame,
एक एतबार से तुम ठीक कहते हो,
In a sense, you are right.
इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता।
That does not make sense.
इस बात का उसे कभी भी एहसास नहीं होगा।
He'll never sense it.
He will never sense it. तुम मेरे मतलब को नहीं समझ सकते हो।
You cannot get my sense.
ओके, द वे, तरीका, रास्ता भी होता है, तरीका भी होता है। मुझे वो तरीका
Yes,
पसंद नहीं है जिस तरह तुम इसे करते हो।
I don't like the way you do it.
जिस तरह मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ तुम नहीं बोल सकते हो।
You cannot speak English the way I can.
जिस तरह मैं चाय बना सकता हूँ वो नहीं बना सकती है।
She cannot make tea the way I can.
जिस तरीके से वो मेरी तरफ देखता है मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like the way he looks at me.
बिसाइड होता है करीब, ठीक है, साथ। वो
Yes,
मेरे पहलू में बैठ जाओ।
sit beside me.
आपे से बाहर मत हो।
Don't get beside yourself.
वो अपनी बहन के मुकाबले में जरा होशियार है।
She's a little clever beside her sister. Her sister.
हाँ, टैग क्वेश्चन होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है क्या, ठीक है। क्या तुम यहाँ रहते हो, ये असल में ये ऐसे है,
ऐसा
तुम यहाँ रहते हो, नहीं रहते क्या, इस तरह से होता है, ठीक है। ये पहला सेंटेंस ठीक नहीं है। तुम यहाँ रहते हो, नहीं रहते क्या, ये वाला पढ़ना है आपने, ठीक है। तुम यहाँ रहते हो, नहीं क्या।
yes.
पढ़ो।
You live here. Do you? You
डोंट
live here. Do you?
यू, डोंट यू, ठीक है। यू लिव हियर, डोंट यू, क्या तुम
I
नहीं
don't.
रहते, ठीक है।
Yes.
ये तो पहली क्वेश्चन है, दो दफा क्वेश्चन हो गया। अच्छा जी, तुम मुझे जानते हो, तुम मुझे जानते हो ना।
You know me, don't you?
आप अली ही हो ना।
You are Ali or not you?
आरंट यू। तुम मेरे भाई हो, क्या नहीं हो।
You are my brother or not you?
आरंट यू। मैंने उसे बहुत मारा। अच्छा,
I beat
वाकई।
him.
ये दो बंदे बात कर रहे हैं, मैंने उसे बहुत मारा। अच्छा, क्या
I beat
वाकई।
him.
हाँ,
Or did you?
आई बेट हिम अ लॉट। आगे।
Or did you?
ओ डिड यू। आगे है, मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ। अच्छा, क्या वाकई।
I can speak English.
आगे।
Oh, can you?
ओ कैन यू। फार और सिंस, इन दोनों का मतलब है से। फार उस वक्त कहते हैं जब हमें टाइम कैलकुलेट नहीं करना पड़ता, यानी कैलकुलेट
ठीक
किया
है.
हुआ टाइम मिल जाता है, बस 2 दिन, 4 दिन, 8 दिन, दो हैं, 1 हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ते, इस तरह से, या काफी लंबे अरसे से। तो जब हमें टाइम काउंट कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है
उसके
फिर
लिए
हम,
फॉर इस्तेमाल.
हाँ, इसके लिए टाइम जो है, अगर डेफिनेट टाइम मिल जाए यानी हमें कैलकुलेट ना करना पड़े, फिर तो हम फार कहते हैं। अगर हमें टाइम कैलकुलेट करना पड़े फिर सिंस होता है। दोनों का मतलब से ही है। मसलन सुबह से अब तक कितने घंटे में कोई पता नहीं, ठीक है कि नहीं। 1985 से 1985
Yes.
अब तक कितना है, हमें जब हिसाब लगाना पड़ता है फिर सेंस होता है, ठीक है। अगर हिसाब लगाने की जरूरत ना हो तो फिर फॉर होता है,
जी.
लंबे अरसे से।
अनकाउंटेबल के लिए फॉर और काउंटेबल के लिए सिंस.
नहीं, काउंटेबल नहीं, जब हमें कैलकुलेट करना पड़े, ठीक है। यूँ समझो, कैलकुलेटेड के लिए फॉर, अनकैलकुलेटेड के लिए सेंस,
Yes.
ठीक, लंबे अरसे से।
For a long time.
2 घंटों से।
For 2 hours.
सदियों से।
For centuries.
1 महीने से।
For 1 month.
5 हफ्तों से।
For 5 weeks.
2 सालों से।
For 2 years.
दिनों से।
4 days.
अब ये है, ये अब हमें ये नॉन कैलकुलेटेड है, ठीक है, इसके लिए कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत पड़ती है। पीरियड से।
Since Monday, Tuesday, Friday.
हाँ, हफ्ता से। जुमेरात से। क्या है, ट्यूसडे तो मंगल होता है, मंगल से।
हाँ.
सिंस ट्यूसडे। जुमा से। सिंस फ्राइडे। 1995
Yes.
से।
Since 1995.
कल रात से।
Since last night.
5 बजे से।
Since 5 o'clock.
सुबह से।
Since morning.
कल से।
Since yesterday.
फॉर ऑल, यानी के बावजूद, मेरे कहने के बावजूद।
For all I say.
तुम्हारा सब काम करने के बावजूद।
For all you do.
मेरी तमाम शिकायत करने के बावजूद।
For all I complain.
बारिश होने के बावजूद।
For all the rain.
देर हो जाने के बावजूद भी।
For all the delay.
ड्रीम ऑफ होता है ख्वाब देखना, ठीक है, किसी चीज का
Yes.
इरादा करना, ख्वाब देखना, ठीक है।
Yes.
वो
Yes.
डॉक्टर बनने के ख्वाब देख रहा है।
He is dreaming of becoming a doctor.
मैं बाहर जाने के ख्वाब देख रहा हूँ।
I am dreaming of going abroad.
तुम बस इसके ख्वाब ही देखते रहोगे।
You'll just dream of it.
तुमने जरूर इसका ख्वाब देखा होगा।
You must have dreamed it.
ड्रीम्ड इट। मैं तो वहां जाने का ख्वाब भी नहीं देख सकता, देखूंगा।
I would not dream of going there.
उसे हमेशा खुराक के ख्वाब आते हैं।
He always dreams of good food.
आप फूड। डिजर्व होता है इनाम, इनाम का हकदार, ठीक है, या सजा का हकदार भी होता है, ठीक है। तुम
Yes, sir.
तुम इसी के लायक हो।
He should deserve it.
मुजरम सजा के लायक होते हैं।
Criminal deserve punishment.
पनिशमेंट, ओके। वो वो इसका अहल नहीं है।
He does not deserve that.
वो वाकई इनाम की मुस्तहिक है।
She really deserves reward.
मैं ऐसी तारीफ का मुस्तहिक तो नहीं, लेकिन आपकी मेहरबानी है।
I don't deserve such a praise, but it is nice of you.
अबाउट होता है तकरीबन, करीब करीब, इसके मुख्तलिफ मीनिंग होते हैं। मैं तकरीबन 5 बजे
Yes,
स्टेशन पहुंचा।
I made the station about 5.
तुम इस बारे में क्या जानते हो?
What do you know about this?
मैं तकरीबन तुम्हारी उम्र का हूँ।
I am about your age.
वो अपने काम में लगा लगा हुआ है।
He is about his work.
तुम यहाँ किस मकसद से आए हो?
What are you about here?
ऐसे ही मत घूमते फिरो।
Don't work about
फॉर फॉर
uh, for
फॉर न
nothing.
फॉर नथिंग। चीजें इधर उधर बिखरी हुई हैं।
Don't work about things are scattered about.
अबाउट, वो यहाँ कहीं है। वो यहाँ कहीं है।
He is somewhere about here.
हम बहस कर रहे हैं किस बारे में?
We are discussing.
किस बारे में?
What about?
What about?
Sir, we talk to each other.
Uh-huh. Adi, next is, what is the weather like today? How is the weather?
It's pouring. It's pouring. Take an umbrella.
हद हो गई भाई, हद। Okay, it's pouring. Take an umbrella. What is wrong with you? Hello?
I cannot find my credit card. I cannot find my credit card.
Okay, where are you going?
I am going to store.
Where are Vladimir Vysotsky buried? Where was Vladimir Vysotsky buried? Vladimir Vysotsky
Sky was buried at a
Vagankovskoye
cemetery.
Cemetery. Cemetery जो है कब्रिस्तान को भी कहते हैं, याद रखना.
Yes.
Who has broken the chair?
Nobody had broken it. Has broken it.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am.
Are you busy?
At the moment, I am not.
Are you going to brush up your English grammar?
Yes, I learn English grammar every day.
Did the burglar steal all your CDs?
I am afraid so.
Do you go to school?
No, I go to university.
Do you have a non-smoking room?
Yes, we do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have a good sight?
Yes, I have good sight.
Do you have to leave already?
I am afraid so.
Do you know where the bank is?
No, sorry, I don't.
Do you like reading?
I am really keep on it. Keen on it.
Do you think Remy will get the job?
Do you think remake? Sir, remake what meaning?
Huh?
I guess so. Remake.
Do you think Remy will get the job? Answer.
मैं कह रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
I guess so.
I guess so. All right.
But it means remake.
Okay. Do you use computer directory? Oh, sorry. Do you
Uh,
use a computer dictionary?
I use my computer dictionary very seldom.
Have you got a job?
Yes, I have a good job.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we have got larger sizes as well.
Have you heard the exam results yet?
No, but I am keeping my fingers crossed. Pani, Mari,
Um, how do you feel today?
I feel great today.
How do you feel? Okay. Is there a fence around your house?
There is no fence around our house.
Should I call you tonight?
No, call me in the morning.
Were you late?
No, was not.
What seats do you prefer in the theater?
I prefer front stalls.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
What's your first name?
My first name is Johan.
When did you graduate from a secondary school?
I left secondary school in 1995.
When do you usually have your breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Who is your favorite singer?
I'm a big fan of Miley Cyrus, a talented US singer, songwriter, and actress.
Why are you angry?
Because I missed my fight.
Do you usually go to bars or clubs?
Not
Hello?
often.
Huh?
I sometimes go there on weekends.
Do you want to watch TV?
No, I'd rather read my novel.
Have you got any children?
No, not yet.
Have you ordered fried fish?
Yes, I have ordered fried fish.
How long have you been dating? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Answer.
For about half a year. So
How
drop your
ma-
song and
okay.
get.
How many churches are there in Moscow?
There are a lot of churches in Moscow.
How often do you go abroad?
I think it's 3 or 4 times a year.
How was the show?
Not so bad.
Is your watch made of gold?
Yes, it is made of gold.
May I ask you a favor? May I ask you a favor?
Of course, go ahead.
May I help you?
No thanks. I am just looking around.
Were there a lot of people there?
No, only like plan.
What are you going to buy?
I am just looking.
What caused her embarrassment?
She was embarrassed about her pronunciation.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes on sale.
All right. So, how do you think that English is important? Why do you think English is important? Hello?
English is very important today because every because it become official language.
Mhm. Why do you say that it's a good weather today?
Today, weather is very cloudy.
Okay. What problems are in your area?
Main problem in my area of what?
Water. Drinking water, you mean?
Yes,
Okay. Do you have
because it's
uh,
because in this
do you have water
uh,
filtration plant?
just in my village one factory
Oh,
in uh, in which I am a job holder.
okay. So, why do you think that there is water problem in the village?
Some industries are very main role in this matter.
Okay. What is the solution to the problem?
Sanitary system proper, or some industries are filtration water may waste it.
Is there a water tank near your house?
No,
Okay. Do you
some
have
industry,
motor
some
pumps?
industries, some industries used boring sewerage system
Oh,
in the ground,
on the
in the
ground.
under earth.
Okay. Right. So do you think weather is changing?
Not yet.
Not yet. Do you believe in climate change?
Yes.
What is the reason for this?
Mm, क्लाइमेट सल्ट किसको बोलते हैं?
Abuhava.
आबोहवा. With the season,
Uh-huh.
because season
No,
is changed.
year after year, हर साल मौसम जो है ज्यादा शिद्दत से आ रहा है, गर्म है, ज्यादा सर्द है. So that is climate change. Do you think that there is climate change? Do you believe in climate change?
Yes, I do it.
So, what do you think are the reasons for this climate change?
When hot is very huge, due to some wastage or some uh, pollution of industries.
You mean smoke?
Sorry.
You mean smoke from the factories?
Yes.
Okay. Other reasons? Is there
When
land pollution in your area?
Land pollution, not special.
Okay.
Nothing.
So water pollution, is there water pollution?
No water pollution, not noise pollution, just water problem.
Water problem.
Alhamdulillah.
So,
Our around surrounded area is very peaceful.
okay. So River Ravi is how many kilometers from your house?
Uh,
Is it very far from your village?
yes, very far
Ravi,
distance. Ravi, yes. I think 100 kilometer plus.
100 kilometers. Why that far?
But my home near in
Is
the
it
canal river
from
canal.
Molanwali? From Molanwali, it is only
Yes,
2 kilometers.
yes.
And
Now,
from your village, it is 100 kilometers.
no, uh, 8 kilometer from 8 kilometer of Molanwal from my house.
Okay. Now, yeah. Do you like Pakistan?
Yes, I do it. I like Pakistan.
Okay. What's special about your country?
Uh, my special is people very special because he are bravery.
Okay. Do you want to give a message to the people of Pakistan?
I give message to the Pakistan to the people of Pakistan like peaceful, create peaceful and lovely
Mhm.
environment create.
Okay. So they should not protest on the roads.
Yes, I should not protest
Do you think
in the
people
road.
should stay at home all the time?
Sorry.
People should stay at home. Is that peace?
Yes.
People, whatever is happening, whatever problem there is, people should stay at home. Is that good idea?
Uh, mm,
You mean
sorry, I can
you
understand
mean
this question.
people should never protest? Is that good?
Yes, not good.
See, people should never protest. There should be no protest. Is that good?
Sir, I cannot understand. Please translate in Urdu.
लोगों को एहतजाज करना ही नहीं चाहिए, होना ही नहीं चाहिए। एहतजाज को
Yes,
एहतजाज जो मर्जी हो जाए, एहतजाज तो करना ही नहीं चाहिए। Is that good?
yes,
Okay.
good.
So, are there health problem in your area?
No, very best services in the matter of health care
Is
because
it
in my home, in my village, government health center is one, and other specialist eye hospital rather than others.
okay? Is there any hospital in your near your village?
Repeat.
Is there any hospital near your village?
Eye hospital and government health care.
Government, how many kilometers away?
Just 1 kilometer.
Just 1 kilometer. Okay. Okay, dear. It was nice talking to you. I need to start another class now. Okay. I hope to see you
Okay.
tomorrow. Take care.
Mm,
Allah Hafiz.
take care. Love, please.